How to hide your Boom Boom profile. Hey guys, welcome. So today I'll be teaching you how to hide your profile on Boom Boom. So if you don't know how to hide your profile on Boom Boom, I'm sure you don't want to miss this video. So ensure you watch this video to the end. So the first thing you have to do is to install the mobile app, that is the Boom Boom app, on your mobile phone. So once you've installed it, you open it. Once you open it, this is what you're gonna see on your screen. At the top left corner, you see three lines. You can click on three lines, and here it says choose a connection. So you have to choose a connection, either a date connection or a BFF connection. So you have to choose a connection because this will determine the kind of people that will connect to you on Boom Boom. Okay, so also at the center of the screen, that's the upper part of the screen, see round circle showing your profile picture, and under it you see your name with your you see your age also. Also at the top right corner you see the settings icon. You can click on it to know what the settings icon is all about, what the options that you can see on the settings icon, and so on. And after your age and your age, you see the option my pay plan. You also see the safety and well-being option. So under the my pay plan option, you see several offers that are available that you can subscribe to on Boom Boom. You see the spotlight offer with the price attached to it. You also see the super swipe offer. You see the premium offer also with a boost offer. So just make sure that the offer you'll be subscribing to is the one that is affordable to you. Okay. Also, the option safety and well-being, you can click on it. It shows that Boom Boom is also concerned about your safety and well-being. So they can help you, they can give you help concerning your mental health, to prevent mental exhaustion, to prevent feelings of rejection, to prevent harmful behavior, and so on. So if you're under any of this category, you can just click on the option get help from Boom Boom, that is just in a yellow icon under those categories. Okay, so you can just scroll down the page to know what the offers you get under the safety and well-being option. So back to the question, how to hide your Boom Boom profile. So you would click on the round circle showing your picture. Once you click on it, it will be displayed on your screen, and with your name and your age, and at the lower part of the screen see the option edit profile. You click on the option edit profile, and it will be displayed, the profile will be displayed on your screen in full. Then you cannot hide your profile if your account or your profile is not verified. You can see here that my profile is not verified yet, so I do not have the option to hide my profile. So if yours is verified, good, you can go ahead and hide your profile. Okay, the option hide my profile will be displayed under your profile page. Okay, but for me, I do not have this option because my profile has not been verified yet. So I hope you find this video helpful. Okay, so this is simply how to hide your profile on Boom Boom. Thank you.